Forget your local pizzeria. Forget delivery. The best pizza you'll ever eat is about to come from your backyard. We spent weeks testing the hottest pizza ovens of 2026. We burned through 100 pounds of flour, 50 pounds of cheese, and way too much pepperoni. Some ovens hit 900 degrees in minutes. One barely hit 400. But here's the secret, the most expensive, fanciest oven on the market? It came in second place. The one that took the crown shocked our entire team. If you want that authentic, blistered, Neapolitan crust at home, you cannot miss this. Let's fire it up. Starting at number 1. Ooni Koda 12 Pizza Oven. Best pizza oven. We've been testing Ooni pizza ovens since the original one launched back in 2017. The Koda 12 is one of the brand's cheaper models, and after thorough testing at our test kitchen and an expert's home, it's our best overall choice for a variety of reasons. Most importantly, it's a sleek gas-powered pizza oven that lets you consistently make great pizza. During testing, the Koda 12 took 15 minutes to reach the recommended temperature. The manufacturer claims it takes 15 minutes to reach 950 degrees Fahrenheit, but we measured the back of the oven at just 830 degrees in that time frame. That's still plenty hot, and one of the quickest preheat times of all the pizza ovens we tried. With super high heat, this can cook plain pizza in a minute, while more toppings need an additional 30 seconds. Even when baking multiple pizzas back-to-back, each had evenly melted cheese and perfectly cooked toppings. At these high temperatures, you have to turn the pizza every 20 seconds or it'll burn. It takes practice, but it's easy to make pizzas once you do, and we found that a smaller peel helps. Number 2. Breville Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. Best indoor. Indoor pizza ovens are often easier and more convenient than an outdoor option. This Breville model can reach 750 degrees, the temperature required for authentic pizza. You won't get quite the same smoky flavor as a wood-fired pizza oven, but for ease and convenience, the Breville cannot be beaten. Like other smart Breville appliances, this has easy-to-use settings, so it's simple to choose frozen thin-crust pizza, deep dish, or a wood-fired style pizza. It's also possible to customize the settings to get the perfect results for any pizza style and personal preference. We successfully cooked a frozen pizza in 15 minutes using the oven's preset option and achieved fantastic results, nicely brown crust and golden brown cheese. We also successfully baked a thin margherita pizza, a pan pizza layered with cheese, and a meaty bolognese. Number 3. Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven. Best portable. Want Woodfire flavor without the hassle of starting a grill with charcoal or wood? Check. Make pizzeria-level pizzas by just turning a dial? Also check. What makes Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven truly stand out is the advanced technology, the ability to infuse smoky flavor with just a half cup of wood pellets, and the versatility that is packed inside a small but powerful appliance. Making pizza in the Ninja Woodfire could not be easier. It has preset settings for Neapolitan, thin crust, New York style, pan pizza, and frozen. You can also customize the time and temperature for your unique style of pizza. The preheating times were long but not always so. The longest is 25 minutes for Neapolitan-style pizza, which is still pretty good for an electric pizza oven. The oven bakes pizza in anything from 3 minutes for Neapolitan to 20 minutes for a frozen one. Number 4. Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven. Best multi-purpose. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus offers versatility, portability, and performance, and it's one of the more affordable options on this list. In addition to making pizzas with the included 13-inch Cordiorite pizza stone, this Cuisinart oven functions as a grill with 260 square inches of cooking space or a griddle with 233 square inches of space. Even with all of that functionality, we were most impressed with how easy this model is to use as a pizza oven and the consistency of the final pies. In testing, it took 15 minutes to reach 600 degrees at the front of the oven. It features a nice oven-style opening with a lid that folds down, and we found it easy to turn the pizzas, which you only have to do once, halfway through cooking. This means there is minimal babysitting needed, but you'll still end up with evenly cooked cheese and a crisp crust. Number 5. Ooni Koda 2 Pro Gas-Powered Pizza Oven. Best large. The Ooni Koda 2 Pro has a 30% larger capacity than its predecessor. The stone measures 21 by 18 inches, with more than enough room to launch family-sized pizzas and hefty cast iron pans. It features a patent-pending tapered flame design that delivers even heat distribution and eliminates hot or cold spots within the oven. Where this pizza oven really shines is in the ease of use and advanced features, which include Bluetooth capability. There's also an expanded temperature range, so you can bake a high-temp Neapolitan-style pizza in 60 seconds at 950 degrees, or cook a low and slow pork shoulder at 310 degrees. After some trial and error, we were able to prepare some delicious pizzas with this oven. The tapered flame design made for a more even cook and also helped the oven reheat faster in between bakes. Because of the extra flame coverage, however, we found that we had to turn the pizza more often to keep it from burning. The digital ambient temperature reader and food probe were also big hits during tests since they allowed us to roast vegetables, toast garlic bread, and prepare a perfectly cooked bone-in steak. The Bluetooth connected app is a game changer for entertaining, since you can monitor the temperature even while away from the oven. In tests, we found that the Bluetooth still worked from up to 60 feet away. So there you have it, the 5 pizza ovens that earned a permanent spot in our backyards in 2026. Whether you're a Neapolitan purist, a New York slice fanatic, or just want a quick weeknight dinner, your perfect oven is on this list. If you're ready to become the neighborhood hero, all the links to check current prices, deals, and must-have accessories are sitting in the description below. Which oven are you adding to your cart? Let me know in the comments. If this video made you hungry, and I know it did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next taste test. Now go make some pizza.